How to delete business portfolio on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will just have to paste this particular option or type this on your address bar business.facebook.com and click enter and wait for it to load. But make sure that you have already signed into your Facebook account before doing so. After that, here on the left hand side panel, you will be able to find the option of settings. Simply click on it. And here on the left hand side panel, simply scroll down. You will get this particular option of Business Manager. Simply click on it. Click on Go to Business Manager settings. And here on the left hand side, simply scroll down and you get this option of Business Info. Simply select it. And here at the top, you will be able to find the option to permanently delete business. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.